Hello guys, I'm Abigail Ekwe and you're welcome back to today's video. So I wanted to show you how to style this hair from Longqi hair, and I did a tutorial on this hair as well. So if you'd want to see how to make this exact wig with just a lace closure, then definitely check out the description box. I'll leave the link there, and also every detail on how to get this hair is also going to be in the description box. So basically I wanted to show you how to style the hair in today's video, and I did almost like 20 different hairstyles here. They are very simple hairstyle, but they just give your face another kind of look when you're wearing the wig. And this is cool. I love the hairstyles and I actually love this hair so much. So stay tuned and watch the video. Thumbs up this video if you like the hairstyles, and comment below and tell me which one is your favorite. Also share this video, it supports this channel a lot. And thank you so much guys for being supportive, for sharing my videos. I see that in my analytics. Let's just get started with the video, with the style, sorry. final style. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to rate the video by commenting in the comment section, and also like this video and share the video. If you're new here on the channel, welcome to my channel. I'm Abigail Ekwe and I make hair videos like this and fitness videos, so subscribe, that way you don't miss out from my videos, and also turn on the bell beside it, that way you'll get notified when I post new videos. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you for clicking this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.